scientific name, Argopecten iridians. Common name, bay scallop. And these are only harvested recreationally in this part of the world, in Florida. And our season is July through September. This animal is a bivalve mollusk. So it has two valves, two shells, sort of like clams and oysters, and mussels. So this is an adult found out here in the seagrass meadows off of coastal Citrus County. And this is what everybody's out here with these boats trying to collect. So when it is able to reproduce, it releases eggs and sperm in the water. The eggs and sperm combine in the water, and it turns into what's called a trophophore larvae that lasts for a few days, like 3 days, and it's drifting around the plankton. It's microscopic. And then there's the next stage called the villager stage, and it's called the D villager. It's shaped like the letter D, and it has a structure called a velum or vellum that has cilia on it that allows currents to be formed, so we can move it a little bit in the water. Still at the mercy of the currents. It's still planktonic, but it'll capture phytoplankton or really teeny tiny algae in the water to feed. In about 2 to 3 weeks or so, maybe 4 weeks, it'll settle out of the plankton onto a surface, mainly seagrass. It'll attach itself to the seagrass using some little threads, and it undergoes metamorphosis from that villager stage to what we call spat. Spat are just little teeny tiny shellfish, and they look like a miniature version of this. They're hanging on that seagrass, and then they'll get large enough to where they will break free of that seagrass and then move around. This is the youngest part of the the oldest part of the shell. This is the youngest part of the shell. They absorb dissolved minerals from the water, mainly calcium carbonate, to make the hard shell. The structure that creates the shell is called a mantle, and that's going to be on the inside. It's like a big envelope that holds all the other organs inside, and it secretes the shell. So what we're going to do now is we're going to, oh, by the way, they live to be 1.5 to 2 years old. They spawn when the water starts to cool off in the fall, but when do we start harvesting them? In the summertime. And so we remove a lot of them before they've even had a chance to spawn. That's not necessarily good for the population. That's why we have to monitor this stuff. Make sure that the populations are stable enough for us to harvest them. So I'm going to pry it open. It's got several blue eyes that can see us when we pick them up. And I'm going to scrape the top part of the mantle away from the shell, and I'm going to cut the top part of the muscle and get it unattached from the shell. So let's look at this. So this structure here, you can see what's left of it, but over here, this membrane is called the mantle, and that's what secretes the shell. It takes up the minerals, crystallizes them, forms the shell. You see, and I'm going to pull this one back. The muscle is pulsating right now because it's trying to open and close that shell. You see this structure here looks kind of like a feather. That's one of the paired gills. So if I lift that up and lift this up, there's another gill down there. So it has 2 gills. The gills are, what do they get out of the water? Dissolved oxygen and algae. They're mucousy. The algae sticks to the gill and it travels down a groove to its mouth, and that's how it feeds. And it has a complete digestive tract. It has a mouth, digestive system, and an anus. And it'll release waste products, and the water just carries it out. When the shell is open, oxygen comes in, food comes in, carbon dioxide and wastes go out. This structure here has a pretty orange, white, sort of brown color. That's the gonad. The orange part is the ovary. The white part is the testy. So the ovary is producing the eggs. The testis is producing the eggs, the sperm. It travels down this line here and comes out this siphon right here. So that siphon you see is where the gametes are released. Oh, sorry. All right, so since it's this color, this animal is ready to spawn. And it may have already spawned once, but maybe in the spring, and this is the second time it could spawn. But unfortunately, this one's being sacrificed, so it won't be able to spawn anymore. So when people go to clean them, they take out all of this. All right. So that's everything that you don't want.